Hi guys, it's Ian, and for today's video, we're going to unbox something from NIXX Kit. I've got this slick paper bag here. You can see it's so slick. It's matte finish. It has silver print, back to back, and we will going to unbox what's inside this paper bag. Okay, baliktad. This is the PR kit, actually including this paper bag. It calls the PR kit. It has this box, and then other thing inside is this item. So this item is exclusive only for content creators. Let's see what it looks like. It's actually for public relations. Oh, it's a waterproof bag. Oh, nice. It's black. It includes a strap. It's amazing. I like it. Thank you, NIXX Kit. And then let's get into the actual reason why we're doing a vlog right now. It's actually an unboxing story. So they call this the NIXX Kit. And then what's inside the NIXX Kit? See, let's see. All right. So this is actually the items inside the NIXX Kit. Hello, nice kay tuludo. Okay. So it has one device. So this device has a device and type C USB cable for charging. And then what are the flavors here? You have the Ice Red Blast. Ice Red Blast is actually strawberry. It has a 2 ml e-liquid with 3% nicotine. One refill pod. It's NIXX refill pod. And then you have Copacina. I really don't know how will you pronounce this. Copacina. Copacina. It's actually coffee, and it's 2 ml e-liquid, 3% nicotine, 3% nicotine, NIXX one refill pod. And then another, we have the Roca-Cola. From its name, Roca-Cola, it has cola flavor. Then tobacco. Tobacco is the original cigarette. You already know that. And then all of these pods has 3% nicotine. Each of these contains 2 ml of e-liquid. And then of course the lanyard here. See that how cool it is. It has a NIXX print, NIXX vaping device. So guys, you can get this for only 999 pesos at NIXX Kit. And if you want to buy the device along this one, it only costs 299. It's available at NIXX Kit and other stores affiliated with NIXX, or other clubs or bar. As what I know, there's a lot of bars affiliated with NIXX. As you can see, a NIXX sign, you can buy a vapes there. So they also included additional item here. They include the NIXX Iced Wings 2 ml e-liquid with 3% nicotine. You can buy this for only 200 pesos. Yes, and then you will already have a disposable NIXX in the vape. This is only cost 200 pesos. Best sellers. So one of the pods here, the Ice Blast or Ice Red Blast, is one of the best seller pods in NIXX. And then the other best sellers, they have the Mellow Canto. Mellow Canto contains melon and cantaloupe. Cantaloupe, I really don't know how to properly pronounce it. And then Blue Dazzle. contains blueberry. And then other flavors, we have the Copacina, which is coffee, Coca-Cola, which is cola, and tobacco. First week of February, they will have a new item, and it has 5,000 packs. Just check out their Facebook page, get updated, and yeah, guys, don't hesitate to visit their lounge. It's such a good place to chill, to vape, to drink coffee, to have a beer there.